In this video, I will show you how to do international wire transfer on Bank of America. In order to do that, first things first is to log in into your Bank of America application, enter your username as well as your password. Now, once you have logged in into the home page of your app, you should be able to see this, which is your dashboard. Now, from in there, click onto this transfer right here onto the button. And once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this. So it can be a transfer between accounts using Zelle, Payables. But for this one, we just need to click onto this wire option right here and wire transfer. Now from in there, just review your wire details, input your transfer request date, what country, the recipient name, recipient address, total transfer cost, and you should be able to see in here the fee. Now you should be able to see in here what is the total. From there, click onto this authorization and click onto the send option in order to complete the wire transfer.